Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Design with Raven Media. Today we are going to learn how to design a very simple logo, very fast and simple. So without much time ado, let's get started. So the size of this logo will be in 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels. As usual, you go to file, then you go to new, then you change your unit to pixels. Yes, so the rate will be 1000 pixels and the height will also be 1000 pixels. 1000 pixels. Then you leave the resolution 200. Then you click on create. Very good. So now I have my resources here. I'm going to use this one and this one for the logo. So I'll just bring into my photos document here. Very good. So this is the first one and this is the second one. This logo is for a food bite logo. The name is Adonai's Bite. Very good. So now my resources is here. So I'll just, it's in already smart object. So I'll just rasterize it to remove the smart object from it so that it can be editable. Very good. So now first of all I have to remove this this transparent background from there. So I'll go to my tool bar, then I'll pick eraser, magic eraser tool. Yeah, this one. So I'll just click on it, then I'll erase. Let me make this invisible here. Yes, so I'll make this one. Very good. So now I have this whole picture there. Very good. I'll click OK. So let me make this one invisible, then make one visible. Very good. This one too, we have to remove the transparent white and grayish background from there. So I'll go to my magic eraser tool again. Very good. I'll select, I make sure that this one is selected. I'll click on it, then it will go. Very good. Nice one. So I'll bring this one back. Very good. So now I'm going to use this one for the main logo. Very good. So I have this one here. Then for this image I only need this as in the hot symbol here. So I'll go to my polygonal lasso tool, then I'll make sure I'll cut only this one from there. Let me go back. This one from there. Then I'll just cut. Very good. Yeah. So I'll delete. I don't need this one anymore. So I'll delete this one from there. Very good. So I'll bring this one here. Then I'll make it larger. Very good. So what I'll do is I'll just bring this one here. Nice one. It's very simple. So I'll make this one white. So let me remove this from there. I want it to be a transparent background. So I want this one to be white. So I'll go to my layer panel here, or layer panel. Yes. Then I'll go to FX. Then I'll go to color overlay. Yeah. So the color overlay is in red. So I'll click here, then I'll change it to white. Very good. Now I want this one to also be white. Okay, so no yellow. So I'll also go there again, then I click. Very good. Then I'll give it a yellow color here. Yeah, so that's it. So let me combine this one. Yes, so I can use it. So I said this logo is very simple. Let me type the name of the donor. So I'll edit this one and bite. Yeah. So this logo will be on a red background. So let me give it the red background here. Let me give it the red background here. So I'll bring this background down here. Very good. So now this Adona will be yellow, of course, and this one too will be yellow. Nice one. So I'll bring this one here and bring this one here. I'll change the font to, I think this font will be okay. Let me go to Time New Roman. Time New Roman. Yeah, this is okay. Then I'll make it bigger a bit. It should be bigger than this one here. I'll choose the same font for this one here. It's Time New Roman. Yeah. So here I'll just track it so that it will be with the length will be the same with the Adonai. So I'll track it here. Nice one. So Adonai's bytes. Very good. So this one here, let me lock this one, then I'll select this one, then I'll just reduce I'll just reduce the size. Very good. So guys, so after you have done with this one, just select all of them and make it smaller a bit. Yeah, then you come down, you see that there's a just taste it there. So now we go to the layer, the toolbar here. I'll pick my rectangle tool, I'll make it this. Very good. I'll change the color to color yellow here. Then I will just run one of the right top corner of the shape here. I'll make it run. So you see this this shape here, this, you can see some rounded something here. As you put your cursor on it, it will turn to an arc. You can select only this one, then you run it just like this. Or if it's not possible, you come to your property bar here. If you don't see your property bar, you go to Windows, then you check on the property. Where is it? Property. It will come here. So you see the symbol here. Then you unlock, you unchain this one here, then you just run only this place. Yes. So that's how it is. Very good. So now you can see there is another shape here. So this one I'll use the pen tool. So I'll take the pen tool from the toolbar here, then I'll make sure that it's in shape here, then I'll click here, I'll come here, then I'll come here, then I'll come here. Very good. Then I'll change the shape, the color to yellow as well. Very good. Then I don't need the stroke, so I'll just make it no stroke. Very good. To be the same color with this one. This one too, let me remove the stroke from there. No stroke. Very good. Very good. So I'll make this one bigger a bit. Nice one. Nice one. Then I'll just type let me make this one bigger a bit. Very good. Then I'll just type in just taste it. Okay, so I'll come here, just taste it. Very good. It will be in to be in this black color like this. Here. Just test it. Let me this one small letter. Okay, so just test it. Very good. So let me select all of them, then and I will link them together so that I can control all of them together. Very good. So guys, nice one. So this is how you can design this logo. Very nice one. Okay, so guys, this is our logo for you. So see you next time. Bye.